Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking monster in the Fortnite Event Monster vs Mech. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this creature, and to begin we're going to start out with his one eye. So this is going to be easy. We're just going to draw in one circle. And then, I know mine's a little bit wobbly. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in another circle inside to finish up the eyeball. And just let me shade it in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Alright, and then from there, might be a little bit strange. Just come down in the middle here. Just going to come down. And then we're going to draw, this is going to be the top of his mouth right here. Just going to draw one curve. I know it looks really strange right now. And then from there, we're going to finish up his mouth. We're going to come down. So it's kind of like, almost like a happy face. Just come down, and then on the bottom here, just kind of round it out. And let's see, let's go ahead and add in some teeth so that doesn't look so strange. So we're going to start out in the middle here. I'm just going to draw one. A couple more on the side. And then one big one here on both ends. And then on the bottom here, I'm just going to draw two, and then two bigger ones. I know it's got a lot more teeth than that, but we're just going to have to simplify it. Okay, so then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the shape of his head, which is going to be pretty weird. So right here, in his eyeball right here, I'm just going to draw a little slant going up like this, and then just kind of come back into the eyeball. Okay, so right here, go up and come back down. It's almost like two spikes coming out of the eyeball. Alright, and then from there we're going to finish up the top of his head here. We're going to extend it, just keep going out, and then come back in right around the eyeball area. So just kind of come back. So go out and then just come back in. Okay, and then we can continue with the side of the face now. So we got from this point here, we'll curve out right around here. So just come in and just curve out. I know there's a lot of little strange curves. Okay, and then once you have this curve here, just come down in the center. I'm going to draw a curve going down this way. That's going to be, I guess, its chin. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of curve it in and connect it, make it nice and sharp. Alright, and then let's just add one little hump here to finish up the top of his head. Also part of his tentacles. Alright, yeah, very strange shape, but actually very cool looking. So to continue on, let's just go ahead and finish up this area right here. So right underneath the eyeball right here, draw one little line going out. Just kind of curve it up slightly. So these are kind of like the little musculature details on the face. So right here on the top of the corner of the mouth here, just go up and then curve it out into all the way to the side here. So go up and then curve all the way out. And then on the top here, looks like it's got some fangs coming down, which is kind of hard to see from the video. So I'm just going to draw one and two right underneath this little, I guess, eyebrow area. So one. Just kind of curve it in slightly. Makes it look nice and mean. And then from there, to finish it off, he's got some more teeth on the side here. So I'm just going to draw like a little angle. And just round off the bottom. I'm just going to draw two on each side. So come across here, a little angle. Round it off. Same thing here, just kind of angle, close it off. Alright, so that's a really cool looking head, and now let's continue on with the body. So it's got really large shoulders and arms. So we're gonna come all the way up here. We're gonna slant it out. This is gonna be his shoulder, the back of his shoulder. Just slant it down first. And then come down in here. I'm gonna slant back here. This is kind of like his armpit area. So come down and just slant in. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw in his chest area right here. So here's the armpit. I'm just gonna curve in toward the middle. And then once you have this curve in the middle here, I'm gonna come back this way so it's nice and sharp here. So just curve it this way and connect those. Okay, so this is his chest area, and we can't see a part of his torso because it's bending over a little bit. So we're gonna draw, this is the hip area. So just come down here, just draw like a little bracket first. Okay, just come in toward the middle. And then in the middle here, just kind of the same thing, but a little bit longer. Just come down, just round it off. I know it looks a little bit strange. This is almost like a heart shape, but once we draw in the leg, he'll look a little bit better. Alright, and then from here, let's continue on with the arms first. So we're gonna come out here. This is gonna be his shoulder right here. Just kind of round it out right here. And then for his bicep area, come back into the armpit. One, start here, and then here's the back side. So it's just a little bracket. And then now for his lower arm, we're gonna flare out. So it's pretty long, so we're all the way down here already. And then here, to finish up the arm, curve. And this one's gonna come down pretty straight. Alright, so his arm's pretty long, it's all the way down here already. And then now we're drawing his claws. So we're gonna draw in the thumb first. Just come out, and then add a little hook right here, a little angle. And then for the claw itself, we're gonna come down, just continue that line. Go back up here, and then just come in. So this is gonna be one of his claws. Alright, and then on the inside here, we'll slant down. And then here's the back of his claw, come down. And now for his other fingers. Okay, so right here, we'll start on the inside. 1, 2, and then 3. And same thing here, just go out, just follow that same line, and then right here on the end, make it nice and sharp. Okay, so that's one finger and the nails, and then on the back here, I'm just gonna come out and just come back in, just a little angle like this. So we're only seeing part of his other fingers, and then inside here, just draw a little angle, so it's kind of coming around. Alright, so now let's draw in the other arm, and I know there's some more details here, but we'll draw that later. Okay, so same thing up here. Slight curve for his shoulder. Here's here's the armpit. Coming down. So use the other side for reference. Flare out. Turn. Straight down. And then now for same thing for his claw right here, come out, and then a little angle going up, and then continue this down, come back up, and just go back up here, and then just draw one little slant coming down. Okay, so here's the back. And then again, I'm gonna start on the inside, 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll just follow this, 1, 2, and just kind of close it off nice and sharp. And the same thing back here, so right around here, doesn't have to be exact, just give it a little bump here. And then to finish up the claw inside. Alright, so those are his arms, and let's finish up the cool little details on there. So it's got some big kind of like bone pieces coming out. So I'm gonna start right here on the top, on the shoulder. Just curve. curve up, and then come back down right to the elbow area right here. And then once you're at the elbow area, he's got one more little piece coming up. So just kind of go back up and then just go into the arm. So just curve it right into the arm. Alright, and if you want to add in some details, we can add in some lines like this. Or we can do that when we color. Okay, let's finish up the other side. So same thing here. Start right in the middle here. Go up. Just curve it. Go all the way down to the elbow. And the same thing here. Go up. And then curve it into the arm. And let's add in those lines again. Okay, and then lastly, some more detail on the arm right here. I'm just gonna, from this line here, I'm just gonna go up. Just trying to make it look more menacing with the bones and stuff. Okay, so go up, and then on this side, I'm just gonna add one little line here. So it makes it look like he's got some bone going up into the elbow. Okay, so same thing here. From this line, just go up. And then on the outside here, just draw one shorter line. Alright, so that's the upper body, and let's move on to his legs. Okay, so I'm gonna start up here. Here's his hip, we're gonna go out. Come back in the middle here. Go out again. And then right here, this is gonna be his knee. So we just round it off. And he's got some extra joints, so we're gonna draw in this knee like this and just close it off first. So let's draw on the other side first. So curve, use the other side for reference. Again, for the knee, just round it out, just give it a little bump and close it off. Okay, and then for the other part of his leg, it's a little bit tricky here. We'll start right in the middle, just come in and just curve it back right behind the knee. Okay, so start right in the middle here, come in, just curve it. Alright, and then let's go down, and this is gonna be his foot here. So I'm gonna start right here, come down, and then now for his, he's got 3 claws right here. So I'm just gonna go up 1 and 2, just 2 little mounds. And then for the bottom here, just make it a little bit sharper. So that's 1, 2. And then for the third one, we're gonna go out a little bit more. So we'll come here, just go out. And then the claw right here, come back in. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky. So we got 1, 2, and then 3. This one goes out a little bit more. And then now we'll finish up the foot. Just come up here, just draw another line. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here, right here, come down and use the other side for reference so you know how far down to go. And then from this point here, 1, again, 2 little humps. And then close it off, nice and sharp. Okay, right here, curve, and let's come back in to this other claw here. And then again, just right around here, just come down, and that'll finish off the foot. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail on the thigh here, right in the middle, I'm just gonna draw one curve, come down, and then come here, just draw one little line here, so it makes a little triangle there. Okay, so same thing here, here's the middle. Okay, so this just gives a little bit more musculature to the legs. And then right here, I can add one little more line coming down. And I almost forgot to add in the other tentacles on his back because he's got 3. So if you want to add in some extra details, just right underneath here, right behind the, I guess the ear, just kind of draw like a little hump coming down. And that'll make it look like he's got more tentacles on the back. Okay, so just come right behind the ear, just curve all the way down into the shoulder. And that is it for this monster in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.